Terrain Tamer Heartbreak Ridge, we've got our next victim on course. Toyota Hilux progressing well, coilover suspension, hydraulic bump stops, hydro assist steering up front, sticky 40-inch trips, bead locked. All right, these guys got a nice turning circle, progressing well. Haven't taken a reverse yet. We've seen the previous two cars have to reverse up on that rock they're stuck on now. But these guys will just drive up and over it. All right, they're coming up now. They're looking at the 20-point gate, which is rollover heaven, or they're going to tackle the bonus line. Now, in this case, the bonus line, surprisingly, is far, far easier than the 20-point gate. Rear steer coming into play there. What we typically see is these guys will be penalised for using the rear steer, but once they've used it on a course and taken that penalty, they can use it as many times as they like. All right, winding around, left hand down, coming into the bonus line. We've got a massive slab of rock. Navigator jumps down, takes it in his stride. This vehicle's got a nice big tough belly pan. He'll drop those front tyres over and slide his way down here. Shouldn't be a problem at all. These vehicles will eat terrain like this all day long. Right, rear lining, straightening up the rear. Vehicle creaking and groaning under brakes as they lower it down. Huge amount of weight coming off this drop off here. He's coming nice and high on the driver's side. He's got to hook it left hand down. Nicely done. So much control, so much control. Massive wheel spaces on these rigs to give them such a wide stance. Just sensationally engineered vehicles. Tough truck, nothing like it. This is so exciting. All right, round that point. I'm not sure if they knocked that bunting down or not. It looks to be squashed, but they might have to take a penalty there on the 30-point gate for knocking over the peg. Hooking it now into the 40-point gate. Hard right hand down. Look at the concentration, navigator and driver. Eyes on each other, talking their way through nice and calmly. Electronic comms making a big difference for the teams as we progress. Right, now the hard work is for the camera crew and myself running along with these vehicles up and down this damn hill. It's exhausting enough for us, let alone these teams fighting these vehicles, fighting the rocks, fighting the terrain. Doing an incredible job. All right, a nice easy section down to the 70-point gate. Bit of a drop off here at the 60-point gate. These guys again will just drop onto the trailing and leading arms, drop onto the belly pan and just grind the vehicle over that rock. Look at it, just eating the terrain. A little bit of off camber here, but these guys are nice and wide. This should not be an issue for them. They'll nail this section, no drama, for 70 points. Comp spec, sticky trepidors. Just hanging onto the rocks at low pressure. Nicely off camber and just holding it all together. Suspension working well. All right, nosing up now to the 90-point gate and this huge severe drop-off. We haven't seen anybody have problems with this. It should be easy, but it is a nasty undercut drop-off over the rocks, over a log and down into the mud pit. Now, rain last night has made this hole definitely a lot wetter and sloppier than last year. All right, dropping in now. Just does it so easy. I don't know how these vehicles make this look so easy. Incredible engineering, great driving skills, picking great lines. And the exit now, covered in wet, sticky mud. Let's see how these guys go. I'm sure we're going to hear some noise. Drops the left hand down into that undercut section between the rocks. Clawing now for traction. They've got the nose up nicely. All right, taking the peg out. That is looking amazing. Here they go. Not a problem. They'll take the bunting. It's worth it to get through the 100-point gate. Trying to get the rear up, using the rear steer now. Left and right on the rear steer. All four wheels locked up, searching for traction. Stuck in this off-camber section, trying to grind their way over that rock. Come on, guys, let's hear some numbers from this rig. Backing it up, moving it back gently. That's the traction point. All right, looking for a nice controlled drive to exit here. Back in almost the same place in this off-camber section. Front right-hand tyre completely off the ground. not getting any traction at all. Marshals have called time, unfortunately, on this team, but another sensational drive here, halfway out through the 100-point marker. Well done. Terrain Tamer Heartbreak Ridge, an awesome stage here at the 2015 Tough Dog Tough Truck Challenge. Stay tuned to the Tough Truck YouTube site for more videos.